Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Lunch Money Budgeting App. Review my usage experience. Lunch Money Budgeting App. Review my usage experience offers a budgeting app designed to help users track their income and expenses, manage their savings goals, and ultimately improve their financial health. It's targeted towards individuals and families looking for a simple yet effective way to manage their money. Key features appear to include expense tracking, budgeting tools, and savings goal setting. Their website provides details on additional features and pricing plans. Lunch Money positions itself as a user-friendly and transparent budgeting solution. Their website emphasizes ease of use and claims to offer no hidden fees. They don't seem to use any particularly novel technology, but their focus is on a clean, intuitive interface. Availability is widespread, as it's a downloadable app accessible through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Lunch Money. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick, and the initial setup guided me through connecting my bank accounts. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly appreciated the clear visual representation of my spending categorized by different needs. For example, I could easily see how much I spent on groceries versus entertainment in a given month. The app performed flawlessly, data synced reliably and quickly. I had a quick question about linking a credit card and their support responded within 24 hours via email. Excellent response time. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated expense categorization. It saved me a ton of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Everything had to be done on a desktop or laptop. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for setting specific budgeting rules, but once I understood them, it greatly enhanced my control. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Lunch Money. It's helped me significantly improve my financial awareness and stay on track with my savings goals. That's my overview of Lunch Money Budgeting App. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.